Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. This is the RENPHO Lynx Smart Ring. Initially in order to get started with this, you're going to get this little ring sizing kit, and this is really important to get a good fit with your ring. I've had a ring before that I ordered, and they're like, just measure it with like a string around your finger or whatever. Didn't turn out very good. So what they do is they send you this is like $1 or something. They send you this little kit here, and then you get the size that you want. Pick one that's a little snug, not too snug, and then you wear it, throughout the day. Maybe give it a day and a half or something through different conditions, or because your fingers can like swell or shrink just based on like just whatever's going on during the day. So you want one that's kind of snug, but not like super snug. So I've actually went with size 11 here, and it's fits pretty good there. So let's check this out here. Once you're comfortable with the size, then you can just go ahead and order. These come in titanium silver or carbon black there, and it's pretty sweet looking little ring there. Also comes with this little charging thing, and this is magnetic charging case. It's got a little USB-C port there in the front. But check this thing out, just kind of make sure you just line up. It's got two little bumps on the bottom of the ring there, and just kind of fits in there just like that. And charge up. Very cool charging case. This battery is supposed to last like a week. I've been wearing this for, let's see, I got my RENPHO app. What's cool about this is the app is all free. You just plug it in there. Yeah, I've been wearing this for 10 days, and the battery is still at like 90, well, let me double check here. 85% on the battery, I think. Yeah, so the battery is really good. You can adjust the app to adjust like how often you want the readings to be. So I'll just show you guys the app here. It has the steps, calories, distance, sleep patterns, like it monitors like REM and all that. So let's check this out here. So right here we have the it says here how your sleep was or how it was for the day. At the top it's good, and you can look at that based on like this exercise you did and how much sleep you got. So today was a good day. Got almost 9 hours of sleep, and you can click on that. It tells you like how much was light sleep, deep sleep, or like REM sleep, and how often you were awake. This seems really accurate, actually. I remember sometimes some of the days I was doing, I woke up and it was okay. Yeah, I did wake up at that time. So I'm not sure how it tracks that. It tracks your beats per minute, your average oxygen level, and distance between heartbeats and things like that. So that's pretty sweet on that. Then we got our heart rate at BPMs. It's there, and also we could do this throughout the week. So through the week and the month shows it all, how if you got anything weird going on. You can check out your averages. So average concentration of oxygen, 94 to 100%, so pretty good there. Average, it does your average as well. Heartbeat between the time between beats, 39 milliseconds is average. I'm not sure what good is with this, but I think it has like a little mental stress thing too, at relaxed, anxious. So I'm pretty relaxed, looks like. That's good. And then I had one tense moment. I wonder what was going on then. But it's pretty cool. Yeah, and also say like tracks your steps, your activity there. Let's see, go through back to today. So just started out today, and low on the steps there, calories, whatever. But yeah, just really sweet. I like how it's convenient. It's pretty burly. I've been using it at work and stuff. It's not really getting messed up or scratched or anything. It looks kind of cool on there. Sometimes it does little readings every once in a while, and you can set it in the settings to be like to test like more often. So if you want to save your battery, even though it says this battery is only like maybe like a 7-day battery life, literally I've had this for 10 days and it's at like it's like 80%. So maybe I'll kick up the readings a little bit, so you can have it read like every half hour or hour in the settings. So maybe I'll bump it up a little bit, and then it just syncs with your phone. I just had the RENPHO app on there already, and just added it to my thing. Just hit plus and it found it, and then it just kind of syncs up when you turn it on. So it's pretty sweet. Yeah, I actually like it a lot. Kind of nice to be able to track how you're sleeping, your sleeping habits, your calories burned, steps, and things like that. So yeah, if you guys are looking for a pretty cool little smart ring, check this one out. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.